Okay, we will be doing the tomato salad, heirloom tomato salad video today. It's going to go on a rectangular plate. We have our heirloom tomatoes. We have basil seeds that are already bloomed. The original basil seed just kind of looks like chia seeds or black sesame seeds that are smaller. And you only need about this much to bloom, about the amount we have here, which is like a half a cup. And we have fleur de salt, kosher salt, a little pepper, and then basil and mozzarella balls. So we're going to take the heirloom tomato and then you're going to cut different sizes. Okay. Place the tomatoes back on the tray and then you'll cut a wedge. You'll do a few wedges there and then you can even turn it on its side and cut slices and then fan them out. And then you want to use as many colors as you can so that the dish looks very colorful, because heirloom tomatoes are very colorful. And we'll go ahead and cut the rest up. We'll start off by fanning off maybe a big part of the tomato. And then you start building off the plate. Do a couple rounds there. And you don't have to fill the whole plate with tomatoes when you first start because you have a lot of other items. So we have the cherry tomatoes. You want to have a few of them. You can do it north-south or east-west on the tomatoes so you get the different looks. We can go ahead and keep some of the tomatoes whole, or you can cut them really funky at like an angle and then place them out. Then we're going to take the mozzarella balls and put it in a bowl and put a little basil oil so that they turn a little green. Add a little salt to season them. And you want to place the balls sporadically around the plate. And once all of that is layered, then you want to place the basil seeds a little bit around the plate as well, so you get a little bite of it if you had a bite anywhere on the plate. And for the basil leaves, we will layer the leaves, and then go ahead and slice really thin. And if you ever need to brighten up the leaves, if they seem a little dead, just soak it in ice water, and then they'll crisp back up. And then you can garnish it in little sections on the plate. And then once you're done with this, you'll pass it up to the pass, which is where the expediter is. And the expediter will garnish it with fleur de salt, with some regular oil, and then basil oil as well. Okay, and then that is the dish for the tomato.